Who are you?
Oh, hush
I
now.
had a terrible dream.
It's all right, chances with you.
Who?
Me.
I don't know who you are. Oxygen.
Why do you feel short-winded?
Death. I have air shortage.
Which bag is your oxygen in? Oh, the combination lock. Was the first number 0?
0020 to the right and then background.
0s to the right and then 1 to the left. Yeah.
Hurry, I can't breathe. I'm dying.
I'm getting it, princess.
Hurry.
It's all right. I've got it. It's right here.
Why in hell do you lock it up in that case?
Well, you said to put all your valuables in that case.
I meant my jewellery, and you know it, you
Yeah,
bastard.
but I didn't think you'd have these attacks anymore. I thought having me around to protect you would stop
Give
these
me a
attacks.
pill.
Which pill?
A pink one, a pinky and vodka. I want to forget everything. I want to forget who I am.
Remember that he said...
Please shut up. I'm forgetting.
Oh no. Forget. Wish I could do it. There's nothing better than it.
I will. Ah, I'm forgetting. I am forgetting. What's going on?
I'm just looking for my toothbrush.
Please take it away.
Are you sure you've had enough?
Yes, for God's sake, take it away. I must look hideous in it.
No. You just look exotic. Like a princess from Mars or a big magnified insect.
Thanks.
You sure you don't want to see a doctor?
No, for God's sake, no.
Why are you so scared of doctors?
I don't need them. What happened is nothing at all. It happens frequently to me. Something disturbs me, adrenaline's pumped in my blood, and I get short-winded. That's all. That's all there is to it. What is this place? A hospital. And you. What are you? A male nurse?
I look after you, but I'm not your nurse.
But you're employed by me, aren't you? For some purpose or other?
I'm on salary with you.
What are you on? Just expensive?
Yep. You're footing the bills.
I see. I see. Don't I wear glasses?
You had a little accident with your glasses?
What was that?
Well, you fell on your face with them on.
They're completely demolished.
One lens cracked.
Well, please give me the remnants. I don't mind waking up in an intimate situation with someone, but I like to see who it's with so I can make whatever adjustment seems called for.
Remember, you know what I look like?
No, I don't.
Oh, you did.
I tell you, I don't remember. It's all gone away.
I don't believe in amnesia.
Neither do I. You have to believe a thing that happens to you.
When did I put your glasses?
Don't ask me, you say I fell on them. If I was in that condition, I would be likely to know where anything is I have with me. What happened last night?
Well, you knocked yourself out?
Did we sleep here together?
Yes. But I didn't molest you.
Should I thank you for that or accuse you of cheating?
Oh, I like you. You're a nice monster.
Your voice sounds young. Are you young?
29.
It's young for anyone but an Arab. Are you very good looking?
Used to be the best looking boy in this town.
How large is the town?
Fair size.
I wish you'd find me those glasses. Well, I may have done better, but God knows I've done worse.
What are you doing now, princess?
Tactile approach.
You do that like you're feeling a piece of goods to see if it's genuine silk or phony?
Feels like silk. Genuine. This much I do remember, that I like bodies to be hairless, silky, smooth, gold.
Do I meet the requirements?
They seem to